Hey guys, Shama Maher here, founder and CEO of Scaling Retail, and this week on Retailing Weekly, we're talking about the grandmas of Instagram. We're talking about women over 60 who have amassed really big followings on Instagram and are starting to get sponsors as influencers, but bigger brands like J.Jill. Now, what's so fascinating about this, guys, is it's really been a long-held belief in marketing that Facebook is really the primary platform for women over 60, and Instagram was kind of being left behind. Well, this New York Times article really highlights women who are taking to Instagram to carve out their niche of style, fashion, and lifestyle. You know, some of these women who have been quoted in the article are really embracing what it means to be an older woman. No longer looking back and saying, oh, I wish I had the youth of my 20s. In fact, embracing and saying, hey, I'm cool too. Right? I have a unique perspective and style, and leveraging that, guys, not only to get sponsorships, but also to be able to express themselves and redefine what it means to get older. Now, the new concept of, retaining youth is not really new at all, right? We've all been hearing about youth serums and ways of looking younger. But in the last few years, as we've seen more body positivity and body consciousness being more accepted on a larger scale, it comes at no surprise to find that women who are older are also redefining what it means to get old, what it means to age, what it means to move into your 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Yes, there is an Instagram influencer who's in her 90s, and still be embracing fashion, style, and new trends on the market. So guys, as you take a look at your target market segmentation, take a cue from the runways, from some of the brands that have been putting out models and ages of all different kinds, and start to ask yourself, my customer is not necessarily defined by age, but what is her lifestyle? And can I broaden my scope of what it means to be my customer and not be so narrowly defined by traditional marketing, age, and household demographic status? All right, guys, I hope this was a fun and interesting thing for you to think about. It was for me. I would love to hear in the comments below the ways in which you're rethinking your marketing to be more age inclusive and even body positive inclusive, right? We want to make sure that we are capturing our audience wherever they may be, so long as they feel committed to our brand value and brand proposition. Leave a comment below, guys. Would love to chat with you soon, and have a great day. Bye.